Hi guys, welcome to lesson 1.3, recording your screencast. So this is going to be a screencast of recording a screencast. So we'll see how this goes. When you're ready to record, we're going to use Loom on this one. You'll come up and you'll click on your extension. Those settings and options will come up. You'll choose the ones you want. I'm going to leave this on screen only so I don't get a bunch of pictures floating around. And then when you're ready, you're going to hit start recording. Usually it gives you some sort of prompt about whether you want to do your entire screen or any application windows that you have open. You have to click on the screen to get your share button or record button to come active. You have to choose one. Usually you'll get a countdown of some kind. Ready? I usually click on this hide down here. You can leave this up if you want and click stop sharing to end here, but I usually do hide so that doesn't show up, and then I use this little toolbar down here to finish the recording if you want to. So you can do it that way. You can also pause your recording in the middle if you need to take a break, and then when you hit pause, then you can resume it in one big video altogether. So we're recording right now. When I'm done, then I can hide the menu here if I want, but this is basically it. Then any screen that I navigate to, let's go here. It records my screens. If I add a new tab and we pop up here, wherever else that I visit, if I visit, Power School or wherever I want to go, it follows those the entire time. If you're using the drawing tools, if you're using Screencastify, you could draw or annotate on top of your video when you want to. Loom doesn't have those tools in the free version. So when you're done, then at the end, there's usually a stop or finish recording button on the side. And so then I hit that button, and then it should take you or redirect you in Loom. It takes me to my library here, and I can see it done. Same thing in Screencastify. It redirects me to my video library, and then I can do any details like renaming, saving, downloading, getting links, which are coming in future tutorial videos. So there's how to record a screencast. Thanks.